Welcome to Excel with Dom. This is a cell. Cells may contain basic input like words and numbers. Cells may also contain mathematical equations, formulas, and functions. Every cell has a location, designated with a column and row. We're working in cell B5. Note that the active column header is B, and the active row number is 5. Now let's take a look at a basic formula. Start by entering the number 5 into this cell. In the cell next door, let's write an equation that uses that value. All equations begin with an equals sign, so that's where we'll start. After the equals sign, select cell B5 by clicking that cell. Type +10, then press Enter to complete the formula. The resulting value is 15. Take note that if I try writing the same formula without the equals sign, no calculation occurs. The cell value appears literally as written. Let's get back on track. To demonstrate how the value of a function changes in real time, let's change the value of B5 from 5 to 10. Note that the value in C5 immediately changes respectively from 15 to 20. We can also refer to a cell containing a text value. Let's write the word hello in cell B10. In cell C10, let's write an equals sign. Then click on cell B10 and press Enter. The resulting value is also hello. By changing the word in B10 to goodbye, the value in C10 also changes to goodbye. Thank you for watching Excel with Dom. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Contact me with questions and special requests for new content. Direct messages welcome, or send emails to excelwithdom@gmail.com.